Welcome to Dfrf Enterprises. Today, I would like to introduce you our company, our business, what we do, and where we are located. The company was formed back in 2013 in the state of Florida, and we are also registered in the state of Massachusetts. We are derived from another group that has been in the market for over 11 years, which means that we do have a knowledge and also an expertise on this particular sector, which is mining and gold operation, besides other precious metals and mining activities. We do have a presence in several states here in US with offices represented by managers and a global presence, which now we are counting 26 countries already, with a possibility in a very short time to expand maybe close to 100 countries. This is our goal before the end of 2014. We signed several joint ventures in South America, also here in North America and in Africa, controlling mining operations. We do own several mining reserves. We have a gold production ongoing in South America and also in Africa. Our main reserves are located in Brazil, which we utilize to obtain a credit line. However, the mining activities are being conducted in the country of Mali and in 3 other countries in the African continent. We are very proud of what we are doing because we are not only processing gold, we are creating a family where we are helping many people that really needs, people that have lost their hope in the future based on bad experience. And we decide to change this company and this operation into a foundation that once you become a member of our reserves, the operations we own, we control, you also can help others that really need. This is the future, this is our goal, this is the target for our business. Out of the 54 mining operations we have, our reserves, we are expecting to grow in order to accommodate all the members because the business is growing extremely fast, faster than we expected. That requires an increase of production because we don't want to fail. We want you to be proud, just like we are. So we'd like to welcome you to learn what we have to show you now regarding our reserves and our production. This is your opportunity, not only to make money, but to help others. You will be benefit if you assist others that those need your attention. How can you do this? You can combine being happy, earning money out of your participation as a member, and also you will see what your money is doing. Because once we process the gold, once we acquire new reserves, once we design and structure the entire operation, once we grow, and we are growing, believe this opportunity that was created 6 months ago now became something global, and you are responsible for that. So join us today, become a member, and if you are already a member, bring others, because everybody will be proud of what we are doing. Let me show you what the business is about and how you can participate with us. We use our mineral rights, which we potentialize with insurance policy in order to issue a global note and obtain a credit line that is already placed in a bank account in Europe. It's enough money for us to process the gold and to conduct all operations we needed. without necessity to go in the market to raise funds from any third party, from any bank, from anybody whatsoever. However, we extend this opportunity to you as a member for one reason only. We cannot leverage the credit line we already have. We need to use this particular money to support the operations and the projects. But with your money, we can block, we can leverage, and then we can process the gold. That's why you can participate in it. We are sharing the benefits. How we do this? We are offering up to 15% a month. And why up to 15%? Because we cannot fix a rate in a mining operation. We are not selling securities. We are not selling commodities. We are not raising money for the operation. We already have the credit line. However, the credit line, once again, has the purpose of finance the project. But we have much money, more than we need to finance the projects, but we cannot leverage. So with your money, we can benefit much better and obtain a better result. And I will show you how. And sometimes people ask us about how can you talk about, how can you even consider possible earn 15% in a month? How this is possible? How a company can produce 15%? Well, let me tell you how we do this. The gold operations in Africa. It's very simple. It's cheaper than here and anywhere in the world. We spend average at today's market close to $16,000 to produce 1 kilogram of gold. $16,000, 1 kilogram. We are not buying the gold. I'm talking about production. So to bring the gold here or in any other refinery around the world, average, we have a final price per kilogram of $20,000. In today's market, the gold, the value of the gold is variable between $39,000 and $41,000. So let's say $40,000. From $20,000 to $40,000, we have a margin before tax. So for each country, we have a different taxation. Here in the US, after pay everything, we still have close to 75% net at today's market. Tomorrow, the gold can go down, the price is fluctuating. However, we still have a large and very impressive margin to operate it. But we don't need to share this with members or with anybody. We already have the credit line. We already own the reserves. We own the operation, which means we don't need any additional funds to produce the gold. However, if we accept members in the operation, not in the company, I want to make clear that we are not accepting members for the company, but for the deal. The member have no liability for the corporation, but he have the benefit in the company, just like other companies offers. I can give as an example here, there are credit card companies operating in the world and they sell membership. You become a member, but they are not selling security. They are not lending money to you. They are just operating. We are doing the same. We are not creating anything new. We are not inventing the wheel. But we do have several tools that nobody ever before put it together. We did it at a very high price, at risk, and it worked. And it's working pretty well. So if we have a 75% margin in today's market, we can pay 15. We're not fixing, but we can pay 15. And on top of that, we are not taking the chance, we are not taking the risk. We are selling the risk for an insurance company. So 100% of your principal, when you become a member, is insured. by a third-party insurance company, which we do have a relationship, but we do not own that company. We are actually selling the risk. We provide enough assets to the insurance company so they can feel also safe and secure in the event of anything happen. They do have enough to liquidate it, to pay any claim, and to return everything, not only the principal, but everything earned by the members 100%. So we want the insurance company feel safe, the members feel safe, the government, and everybody involved on this deal feel safe. First, you are joined and you know that you are not going to lose. In my opinion, when you do not lose, when you are 100% safe and secure, it's already a good deal. It's already a good opportunity. Whatever you can make on top of that, perfect. And if you can make and also help a third party, that is those that doesn't have the money to become a member, much better. So you are doing to yourself, to your country, and to other people that are not looked like you are, like we are. So, and how the company are benefit on that, because we are talking here about giving away 15%, up to 15%, subject to the operations. But however, we already have a credit line. We do not need to raise any funds for the operation. Why we are giving away 15%? Well, we are not. Like I just mentioned a few minutes ago, we are leveraging your deposits. We cannot do this with a credit line, but yes, taking the deposits, blocking the funds, we can leverage. And we are leveraging based on the law, based on what the rules in the country where we are doing this allow us to do. We are doing a very short-term program, which is called in the market a bullet program. It takes a few days to be executed, and we are taking 3 to 1 out of that. Based in the leverage, the company will benefit because 3 times the value of your dollar or your currency, plus that we have a $16,000 kilogram production, and we bring here a $20,000, which means we are doubling the funds, the double of the triple, we can make up to 600% and pay 15. That's the reality, that's the truth. So that's how we are doing the business for close to 7 months already. Our family are over 21,000 members, and I don't want to be too speculative or positive like I am always, but we expect to reach a much large number of members before the end of this year, and our top on the contract is $3.5 billion, which is expected to close by December of 2014 for sure. So we still have a small spot available for you to join us. So don't waste time and don't wait to see if something wrong will happen, because you already know, not only by words, but is verifiable, over 21,000 witnesses, that your money is 100% secure and is very flexible, because becoming a member, you will have an online access and also a debit card that you can manage your funds. You can transfer anywhere in the world, and you can use this card facility to withdraw or to pay your bills and do whatever you want with your money. And remember, you are helping others that need more than you, because as a foundation, we will start to donate 25% of everything you bring. So welcome on again and join us today. Don't wait until tomorrow. I'm glad that you spent a few minutes watching this presentation, and now it's time for you to contact the member that brought you to this opportunity. Don't waste your time. contact the member that introduced this opportunity to you and sign up with us, becoming a member to get all benefits to you and to help all others that cannot be part of this team just yet. Thank you.